सामने देखिए दीपिका जी सोलो सोलो सर आप दोनों का ले लेना पड़ेगा दोनों का मैडम राइट से स्टार्ट कीजिए और लेफ्ट में भी लेके लास्ट में सबसे सेंटर 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 चलो अभी अंदर चलो सबसे लेफ्ट है आपके लेफ्ट है मैडम राइट में फरहान सर सेंटर 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 बोल दो थैंक यू दीपिका चलो सोलो दीपिका लेफ्ट में मैडम राइट में दीपिका जी सेंटर सेंटर मैडम गाड़ी में बताइए आपके लेफ्ट में दीपिका जी फरहान सर यहां पे फरहान सर चलो अभी रास्ता अभी अंदर आप सब भी सेटल हो जाइए अंदर ये वायर बाजू में चलो अभी चलो अभी अंदर मिलो मत करो पीछे संभाल लगेगा
So thank you Filmfare, thank you Idea. I think awards are always welcome, and actors always deep down inside somewhere you feel a sense of appreciation and you feel like your hard work has paid off when you win an award. But I think the Filmfare really takes it to another level. I've been winning at Screen and say all the other award functions, but I think the reaction that I got to Filmfare specifically, I think that just goes to show how special it is. I think people message me from all over the world, so thank you for that. And Filmfare has always been very, very iconic, not just the award itself, but even the magazine. You keep featuring us in them, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but we live with that. But thank you for giving us this opportunity and making 2013 for me even more special than it already was.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Jitesh. Thank you, Filmfare. I think it was a great idea that that Deepika and myself, our work was recognized this year. Very, very thankful. And I do agree with her. I think there is something truly special about winning the Filmfare Award. My theory about it is that there is so much history associated with this award. There are so many great actors before us who have held this award in their hands. And really to be a part of that chain of talent, it feels very, very good. So thank you very much, and also thank you for those very kind words that you said about the work here.
जब फिल्म फेयर की ट्रॉफी आप जीते थे तो उसके बाद आप रात में ही संजय सर के घर गए थे. Is it right?
No, I didn't go to his house. I called him up. I think the awards got over at about 2:30 or 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
And yes. No. Your award didn't start before 10.
We started
10
at
o'clock.
10:30 and we got over at 12:45, 1 o'clock.
Anyway, so when I was driving back home, I think the first thing that came to my mind, and because I had won the Filmfare for Ram Leela, I missed him. I wish he was with me, because that award wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't worked with him. And I really wish that one of my directors was with me, because I'd been nominated for 2 out of 4 films of mine that released. So I was missing him at that point. So very instinctively, I just called him, and he didn't answer, but I sent him a message, and he was very, very happy about that. He called me back the next day.
And happy Valentine's Day.
To you too.
तो क्या प्लान्स है कुछ
This is my
अभी
plan.
नहीं इसके बाद
इसके बाद I'm going home and going to sleep.
Oh,
I've
boring.
had a long day.
नहीं डोंट सही में ऐसे ही आप घर जाने वाले हो
क्यों?
नो मुझे आप इतने तैयार हो के इतने अच्छी लग रहे
Jitesh is taking me out for dinner.
हो तो फिर उनका क्या होगा आई मीन
हाँ?
किसका क्या हुआ?
फरहान का? आपका क्या होगा?
मुझे तो औदुना से मिलना है डिनर के लिए, वरना शादी के साइड इफेक्ट्स कुछ नेगेटिव होने वाले हैं।
शादी के बाद वैलेंटाइन कैसा होता है मतलब बदल जाता
It
है
comes on the 14th of Feb even after marriage.
Watched Gunde last night. What do you have to say about the film?
I think it's a very, very entertaining film. I think all 3 of them have done a fantastic job, and especially Ranveer and Arjun's chemistry is something that one should look out for.
जैसे जैसे आपको अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं आप एक्टिंग को लेकर ज्यादा सीरियसली हो गए हो, तो क्या डायरेक्शन की सीट आपने इस वक्त पीछे कर दी है कि फिलहाल आप सारे खान्स को की नींदें हराम करना चाह रहे हैं सेट की नहीं?
नहीं, I think they sleep very well, please.
बिकॉज अवार्ड्स
And let's not blame the awards for my choices, please. मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मुझे जिस तरह के रोल्स ऑफर हो रहे हैं, जिन फिल्म मेकर्स के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट, यू नो. सो इट्स समथिंग आई एम एंजॉयिंग दैट्स हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. So there's no point of me questioning it or trying to overanalyze why are things going on the way they are. But truly, I mean, I'm working on Zoya's film next, and by the end of the year, I'm going to be doing a film with Mr. Bachchan. So for me, it's very, very exciting times. So I'll just focus on that, and there's enough work and there's enough time at night for everyone to get good enough sleep in.
Hi, Sonu Pierre from Indian Television. Hi. Would you be doing Shuddhi? Karan Johar's movie. Are you planning to do that movie?
I don't know if even they know what is happening on that project, but no, I haven't been approached for it yet.
But would you be interested in it if Karan Johar approaches you?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Why not? I think, but again, like I said, I think at the point that Hrithik was doing it, I would have definitely been interested to do it. Now that he's not doing it, I don't know what is happening with the project, but I would. I mean, I don't think that Karan would come to me with something that he didn't think that I would do justice to. So if he thinks that I'm if I would do justice to that film, I would love to do it.
But now that Hrithik is not doing it, would you be okay, doing it with any other co-star as well?
Sure, yeah. But again, like I said, I think it depends on what they themselves plan to do with the project, if it even happens in the first place.
दीपिका यहाँ पर दीपिका